Hey everyone, I'm in the high limit room. Gonna play Lightning Dollar Link Kung Fu Master. I put $100 cash in, activated $60 in free play, and let's see if we can do anything in here. I don't know if it's, I keep forgetting where the menu is. So you can go 1 cent up to $2 denomination. I think I'm gonna start out on nickels.
Welcome to your daily slot video. I post a new slot video every day at 10 a.m. Central Time, so sit back and enjoy the show.
I'm gonna say first spin would have been lovely.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Okay.
Really?
Doesn't happen too often, that's for sure. I need to get 3 of those symbols for free games. Oh, got the bonus, and I didn't even activate the free play. Hit the button and it didn't go off. Alrighty, here we go. Come on, 2 more. Not lining nothing up. $15. Now I'm going to activate it. So it's $60 in a free play and $100 cash we put in. Come on. Oh. I missed it by 1. Oh, keep forgetting it's this button. Let's go to dimes. $5 minimum bet. Ooh, thought we were gonna get the bonus again. Oh, jeez. $75 one up there, $50 one. One more. It's teasing a lot, that's for sure. Well, the free play's done already. Oh, that's a big hit, but it got blocked. Imagine if one would have been. Well, let's see what we got. $115. That would have been huge if that would have been a different one. There we go. Come on, let's see if we can get the hold and spin in here. Since we're on 10-cent denomination. Here we go. return. Yes! Right on, Jeff. Oh. Come on, don't waste them. Come on, hold and spin. Two spins left. Last one. Re-trigger again. Oh my God, look at that. That would have been huge. Well, it was kind of a crappy bonus for that bet and all those spins. It's kind of like a 4-trigger curse in a way.
Last night, you're over there.
Still doing good on it. That's probably better almost than the bonus. $15, pretty close. Two more. Oh, double bonus whammy. And a little something. One more. Oh, look at that one. $100 haul. Just one bonus, please. All right, let's lower it down to nickels again. I keep forgetting it's this one. $2.50. $5 again. Play it down the 100 I originally put cash in. If I don't get anything, that's gonna be the video. Hopefully we'll hit something by then. This is what I want. I want to get in that bonus. Come on, a little something on that one. Started out really good with those bonuses, but they really didn't. Only that one bonus was good. The one I thought I was gonna do good and wasn't. Come on, Kung Fu Master. Let's change 2 cent we didn't do and try something different. Go to $4, betting 1 up, so you get 2 times multiplier on this one. Oh, look at that one. Okay, do a $2 bet. Just keep doing the same thing every time. Well, let's do $1 bet. Alright, I'm going to end the video there. And I had 46 cents ahead, even though I lost at $60 free play. I was excited because I thought I was going to do really good on this. Go check out Chips and Reels. She did really good on these slots in here. I'll see you in the next one.